Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable Easy Touch in your device Vivo Y15c. So if you want to enable Easy Touch or you want to have assistive call in your device, you can have it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can enable Easy Touch or have assistive call.